Mastering everyday English. The handy phrase, use the plunger. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a practical and commonly used phrase, use the plunger. This might seem simple, but it's a great example of everyday English that can be really useful. So, let's explore what it means and how to use it. The phrase, use the plunger, involves two key components. Firstly, use is a verb meaning to employ or utilize something. Secondly, a plunger is a common household tool, often used in bathrooms. It's a device with a rubber cup at the end of a stick, used to clear blockages in pipes, especially in sinks or toilets. So, when someone says, use the plunger, they're essentially instructing someone to employ this tool to solve a plumbing issue. This phrase is typically used in situations where there's a clogged pipe or toilet. Imagine you're at a friend's house, and the toilet won't flush properly. Your friend might say, use the plunger, it's under the sink. It's a practical instruction, indicating not just what to do, but often where to find the tool as well. In English-speaking cultures, discussing bathroom issues can sometimes be seen as impolite or embarrassing. However, using a phrase like, use the plunger, is generally considered a practical and neutral way to address a common problem. It's direct but not rude. In more formal situations or with people you're not close with, you might phrase it as a suggestion. Maybe you could try using the plunger? To help our learners, we'll include a short animation showing someone using a plunger, along with the phrase written and spoken. This visual aid makes it easier to understand the action associated with the phrase. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, use the plunger. We hope this has been helpful and you feel more comfortable using this phrase in everyday English. Remember, language is not just about words but also about understanding context and culture. See you in our next video, and happy learning!